It's time to learn second position. Just as we did with first position, we will be learning second position with the demi plie. Here's what it will look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second position is very similar to first position. Your feet are turned out and all 10 toes should be resting on the floor. But in second, our feet are about hip width apart. Ready to learn it? Let's go! Let's start out by having proper posture and lightly placing our fingertips on the bar. Second position is basically a wide first position. So to find second position, we start by standing in first position. Remember, first position is found by standing in parallel. Our toes are pointed forward and our heels are together. Turn out your toes and place them down where it is comfortable. Now that we are in first position, take your right foot, bring it out, place it directly under your right hip, keeping your toes turned out. You should now have your left foot under your left hip and your right foot directly under your right hip. Your toes should still comfortably be pointed out. This is second position. You can also find second by stepping out with your left foot. Try that with me. Stand in first, lift your left foot, and place it down. Remember, both feet should be placed directly under your hips. You should have the same posture as you have when we are in first position. Our head is held high, chest is lifted, pelvis is straight. Don't stick your bum out. Our knees point to the side and our heels stay down. Let's try a demi plie in our second position. It will use the same counts as our demi plie in first position. 2 to bend and 2 to straighten, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Make sure your knees are pointed to the side and that your feet aren't rolling forward or backward. Let's try 2 counts of 8 in a row. I will count you in on 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will begin. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! You now know how to do a demi plie in second position. Don't forget to practice.